I've been to treatment programs in the past, right? I've done the 30 days, I've done a couple weeks, you know what I mean? And this has been an ongoing struggle that I've struggled with, for most of my adult life. And, through that process, what I've realized is that, it's not just about toughing it out. It's not about, really like just trying to get through that moment of discomfort. It's really about, thinking about the bigger picture, right? And I can honestly say that, with having a case manager, with having people that really cared about my success and my future, not looking at me as like a patient or a client, really looking at me as like a person, a friend was so important. They really looked out for what it meant for afterwards, right? And, they found me a sober living to go through. They work with me finding the sober living, as far as like financials and all these different things that, obviously in that moment, it was things that I couldn't like think of in the moment, right? And they really kind of like did the help and helped me point me in the right direction, and that was something that I really, really needed in the moment. And I look back at that, now, even today, and I'm, think how grateful I am for that opportunity and for the staff that was there when I went through the process, so.